Gandhi's profound words, तुम्हें वह परिवर्तन बनना चाहिए जिसे तुम दुनिया में देखना चाहते हो. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Resonate as a timeless call to action. Hi everyone, my name is Trinay Deepak from GoldenBee Global School, BTM campus. Today we honor and celebrate the day when our constitution came into effect. It is the 73rd Republic Day of our great nation, India. It is a moment of profound reflection on the journey that led us to this day. It's a moment to reflect on the values of democracy, unity, and the collective progress of our nation. The unfurling of the national flag and the patriotic celebrations throughout the country show India's rich heritage. May the ideals in our constitution continue to guide us through this journey. As we celebrate the vibrancy of our republic with pride and joy, we should also take the commitment for justice, liberty, and equality. Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind.
GoldenBee Global, Beehive of Learning.